How to activate Credit One bank credit card online. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with this tutorial. In your preferred browser, search for Credit One bank login. Now in here you have to tap on the first suggestion, that is Credit One bank sign in. To log in, enter your account, enter email address and password, then hit the sign in button. If you forgot any of your credential, you need to select the option of trouble signing in. You will have to re-enter your email address, then just tap on send link to receive yourself a recovery link from your Credit One. Now once you have successfully recovered your account and logged in into your account, you need to go ahead and follow the on-screen instruction to complete the activation process. For this, locate where it says Account Dashboard. Then select on Activate Credit Card or Manage your credit card. Once you tap on it, you'll be able to add yourself a credit card. You need to add credit card details, that is credit card name, CVV, expiration date, and the last four digit of your SSN. And that is how you'll be able to activate your Credit One card. And that's all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.